message. Hey, Ty, this is your neighbor from one of the properties.
Bae ended up calling. Bae was like, yeah. And she like, yeah, is this Miss Art? I'm like, uh-oh. Skirt, skirt. Yep. She like, yeah, we got a real big problem. Somebody was painting with white paint yesterday, and they was spraying, and we got white paint on our cars, me and my daughter's car. What she? I'm like, nah, Kai. Can't be Kai.
I know they had the windows covered with paper.
I had those windows taken off so it could be some renovation in there because it was scorching in that joint. I had on a paint suit, so your boy was sweating all up in that joint. It's crazy because I didn't even know that their cars was out there. No, but I did notice that when I was spraying, the air was coming in.
Okay, I hear a bunch of excuses. I'm just looking for you to say, like, dang, I should have had the windows closed.
Yeah, I should have had them closed, but
Guess what? I wanted airflow in there because it was scorching hot, so I had them open.
We're going to just try to be fair and just figure out what's going on.
she said that it was bad, so we gonna go over here now.
Hi, we spoke earlier. We were outside.
I see some small white specks.
Oh, that's... Hi. Oh, shit. I didn't feel in the hole.
That's crazy.
You think it's crazy. I came up like, what the hell is this? And then there's specks on my daughter's car, and they're all around here because the wind was blowing.
Yeah.
And I guess it came out the window when you all were spraying, and I didn't notice it. Knowing how paint can damage the paint on your car, I went and got the car washed, thinking it was just, the stuff was just going to come off. Here, here. I'm doing this with my fingernail. I don't want to do it on the paint. A couple of them are.
Yeah, so his shop is on Carnegie. You can take both of them up there.
I really appreciate you all calling me back.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah. The only thing, I don't want the sun to like
Right,
making it.
right.
The paint.
Is he open today?
Yeah, he closed at 6. We could go up there with her too. My brother-in-law, he own a shop, so a car shop, so I already called him. I know he can get it done, so I'm gonna take it over to his shop. He gonna take a look at it. Also, it's like paint that clean up with soap and water. I'm glad it ain't the oil base. The oil base is gonna be an oil base. You just gonna have a real car. I know it can come off, so it is what it is.
We here at Winners. Winner, chicken dinner. Winners Auto, save the day, save the day. Y'all remember Kane? Oh, thank you.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
It could have been something that was on there for 2 years. We can still get it off. Like, it's just a different process.
They already got it off the windshield, look like just some wax residue on there. Hey, that's why it's good to have relationships. Shout out to Winners. I know this joint gonna be looking brand new. Way better than what the hell it did look like. Oh, nice little wax job.
Yeah, like $300 service.
That's cool though. We did the issue. We definitely just gonna go ahead and take care of it. So what type of service y'all be doing here?
Paint, Tint, auto sales, rental car, you name it.
This boy about to look hard with that tent though. But we gonna put that info in the description below, so y'all in the Cleveland, Ohio area, definitely hit them up. So they get cars like this, that's beat up, look like somebody didn't hit somebody, but this boy gonna be looking crazy. Real nice when they done with it. They doing some paint touch-ups on this joint right here. Paint booth over there. This whip right here was like Dookie Green. Y'all heard him. What's the price on this? 85.9. He might give y'all an extra discount if y'all say ARTTLifestyle sent him. Oh yeah, this interior look good too. What's this? Cloth seats. Got the key. Oh yeah. Look, they get to singing to you. Seats look good in this joint. This boy clean. How many miles on this joint? 114,000 miles.
All our cars, $100 in food stamps, free iPhone charger, the ones from the gas station. We bless you.
Bless you, the whole shebang. Are you still doing 10 classes? Or you just doing one-on-ones?
Yeah, do one-on-one.
So y'all actually want to learn how to do tint. Not too many people actually will show you. See, they actually give you the tint service and show you how you can do it yourself. So go ahead, sign up for the one-on-one class. He'll teach you how to do it. He done taught many people. They got one more window. Tell them, let me go ahead, let me do that one window. So you just finished up the tint on this caddy. This boy definitely looking a lot better. Tint could change a whole whip for real. My boy over here is going to work.
All day long I'm hustling, trying to feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch all fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really I'm just trying to make a milli though. I dropped out of college but got the same job I was schooling for.
Oh yeah, this boy icy. Some apartments. Shit, we got. What you look for, like a 1-bedroom? Yeah, I got one, a 3rd unit. We ain't got nobody up there yet. We ain't got nothing signed or nothing like that. Y'all see the other video? This boy was covered. Windshield.
So this one right here would have been about 3 of them. If we would have had to do that extensive cleaning I thought we wanted to do, that's the wet sand. That's, yeah. About 7. Yeah, about 6, 700. She the one doing the work, but she like, no, that's about 7. Some people charge $1,000 to do it. But I didn't mind doing it because he made a mistake. I'm like, well, at least I know at the end of this mistake, the customer should be happy, you know. It was an inconvenience a little bit, but it brought your car back to life though.
Yeah.
It brought your car. It's a nice car, so.
Yeah, and then again, like the way they stood on it, we came and we talked and everything and went through everything. That meant a lot.
He ain't like that at all. They would have came out and noticed it. They would have left a note on your door if you weren't there. That's the type of people they.
Yeah, remember I told you that they was getting ready to wet sand the house and they came and asked
Oh yeah.
on it.
Dang.
Yeah.
But it's easier to do it the right way, and then most of the time it's gonna come out anyway. So why you gonna try to hide it?
Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Yep. So if you need it,
Gone, but I'm on the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition.